All right, let's take a look how we do example 6, sorry. So they are married and filing jointly, and they have line 37, tax return adjusted gross income of 117,356. They've calculated their itemized deductions to be 2,000, 20,138, and the standard deduction for married is 12,200. They have one dependent and will have 3 exemptions. They also paid $800 in child care while they were working. And last year, they installed a few energy-saving items in their qualifying home to save them $136. What is their total tax? All right, so let's start filling out this form. It says let's start with the first line 38. Amount from line 37, which we read to be 117. Let me color. $117,356. Okay, we're going to leave both of these blank on 39A because we were not born before this, and we are not blind. B, we are not doing separate returns, or we're dual status alien, so no. Line 40, itemized deductions or the standard deduction. In this case, our itemized deduction is larger than our standard, so we're going to take the itemized deduction of 20,138, and we'll include that. Okay, we want more off our income. Then it says subtract line 40 and line 38. So we're going to take these two and subtract. So we're going to take that 117,356 minus the 2,138. You get 97,218. And that's on line 41. Line 42 is our exemptions. Multiply 3,900 by the number on line 6D, which is the 3 exemptions right there. So we're going to do 3 times 3,900. 3 times 3,900, and we get 11,700. Okay, $11,700. Line 43 says to subtract those two. So you're going to take 97,218 minus $11,700. We get 85,518. And then line 44 says to find that tax. We need to go look up this in our tax table. All right, which I believe is in 2009. Okay, so give me a second. Okay, so we need to look up 85,518. Let's keep scrolling. 85, there we're getting closer. 85,518 puts me right here. We are married, filing joint, so I believe that's 13,756. All right, 13,000. $756. So that's the amount that we put on this one. Okay, 13,756. Okay, and actually it looks like we're doing the 2014 taxes, so I gave you the wrong number. So we're going to go look up 85,518, but for 2014. Okay, so that's still right here, 1394. Okay, I lied yet again. It's 2013, so I apologize. We're going to go find 85,518 again. Okay, so let's see, 550. So 13,239 is my tax for that year. So I apologize for that. 13,239. It's not that different, but it still makes a difference. All right. Alternative minimum tax, if we're doing this, we are not doing that. Add lines 44 through 45. So that's just these two, so it's still 13,239. And then we're going to take a look at 47 through 53. Okay, foreign tax credit. Let's see. We've used that number, we've used that number, we've used that, we've used that. So we have 0 foreign tax credit. Credit for childcare. Well, we have that. We have $800 in childcare. All right, 49 education credits. Nope, $0. Retirement savings, $0. Child tax credit, $0. Although if we have a child, we should be getting that. Let's see. Okay, but they don't tell us that we qualify for, so it's just going to be 0. Then we have residential energy credits of $136 that we need to take care of. And then we have 0 credits for other. And then line 54 says add the total credits, so that's 936. And then subtract line 54 from 46. So we're going to subtract that from that. So I'm going to take that 13,239 minus the 936, and we get a total tax of 12,300. And then we're done. 303, I'm sorry. And that is our total tax that they have to pay or should have paid through their federal deduction.